In this video, you will learn how to enable your custom actions for use in a matrix. You have implemented two custom actions, Find User File and Verify User File. Now you need to make them available for a user. All available actions are listed in the cfg/actionsmapping.cfg file. As you can see, each action name is mapped to a class. Let's add your new actions in the same manner. First of all, add the mapping for the actions package. Now you can use it to map your actions. Actions can have default values for their parameters. For example, you can define the file name parameter value for the Find User File action, so that the user may omit it in the matrix. However, if the parameter is defined in the matrix, the value from the matrix will override the default value. Let's save the file and start ClearTH. Now let's write a matrix with our new actions to see how they work. Here, we have omitted the default action parameters. Please pay attention to the reference to the output parameter of the Find User File action. We have used the matrix language features to verify particular fields in a special way. The pattern function allows you to verify a value by using a regular expression. Here we skip verification of the time portion of the value, but verify the date portion. The special isPresent value allows you to check that the field is present no matter what its particular value is. Use Expression Calculator on the Tools screen of the ClearTH GUI to find more information on the available matrix language functions. Let's try our matrix. Oh, not all actions were successful. Let's examine the results. The action shows that we forgot to specify the required username parameter. This was detected by input_params handler and caused action failure. Let's fix this in the matrix and try again. This time, both actions worked as expected. The first action found the file for the given username. The second action used that file name to load the data and verified it. Now you know how to add custom actions to ClearTH. Do subscribe to our channel to see more ClearTH tutorials, and hit the bell button if you want to be the first to see all the new videos from Exactpro. ClearTH is Exactpro's open source tool for testing post-trade systems. If you just joined us, do check out its source code on GitHub by following the link to the ClearTH repository below.